Hey, so this is Unit 1, Lesson 2, What Makes a Great Design? So let's check out this idea. All right, so first of all, let's check out some bad designs. I'm not trying to put anyone down, make them feel bad. We're just exploring it like scientists, trying to check out what designs are not effective. So let's look at this presentation slide here. Okay, we got some problems here. One, it's super hard to read this text. Can you see that right there? So first of all, the font is too cursive and funky, and also the colors match the background image, which is a horrible mistake. And also things are just competing with each other all over the place. This blue is really hard to see with the black background. Okay, let's check it out. Oh my gosh, what's going on here? It's just, it hurts my eyes to even look at this, right? So we just got stuff going on all over the place. We got too much texture here, and the colors are all clashing with each other. You can probably tell from your eyes kind of hurt looking at this. So we're going to learn some tips and tricks on how to avoid this stuff. And do you guys remember MySpace? Maybe that was just my generation. I'm a little bit older. So we had this thing called MySpace. And all the time on MySpace, the big thing as a competitor to Facebook is that you could customize your page. Now that was a good thing and a bad thing, because the bad thing is that you would come across pages like this that are just chaos. You would open up the page, all this like 4 different songs would start playing at you, and all these animations would happen, and you would just get bombarded with bad design. All right. And then the last one is another presentation slide, and it's just, you can probably tell that there's just too much stuff going on here. All this text, wow, that's just way too much text for a PowerPoint presentation slide. And in Unit 5, you guys are going to be making your own presentation, hopefully avoiding mistakes like this. So 2 requirements of design is form and function. Okay, so form is how something looks. So is it pretty? Function is, does it serve its purpose? So good design will fulfill both of these requirements. Let's take a look at form. So form is, how does your design look? Does it look beautiful? Now check this out. Say you own a business and you have a form online for customers to fill out to say, click on the service you need, right? Then they're presented with this. Now it's very beautiful. Look, like, the computer, all the photography looks amazing, but then you look at it and you're like, wait a second, like, what do I click on? I don't even know what is this notebook for? What service am I signing up if I click on that? Or what service am I signing up if I click on these envelopes, right? So it does have very good form, but it lacks in function. So let me just write the word here, function. It has no function. It's not serving its purpose as a form. Okay, so what about an example of a good function? So function is, how does your design serve its purpose? Now this is the same exact example, right? Select the service that you need. Now this serves its function very well, because look, it's very easy to know which services are being offered, and I can very easily click on the one that I want and get the service that I need. But its form is very lacking. It has no design to it. It has no beauty to it. It's not representing the business very well. So it has function but no form. Now let's see an example where we have form and function. It looks good and serves its purpose. Okay, so it's the same concept here. We need to create an online form for customers to fill out. And check this out. So we can see like these beautiful uniform icons. It all looks good, all looks professional, all looks amazing. And also, the customer can very easily see which service they're signing up for and be like, yeah, I need some app design. I'm going to click on that one, and I need it for Android. So I'm going to click on that one, and then I'm going to submit it. Okay. So we have those the marriage of form and function coming together. And so in this assignment, you're going to explore form and function and find examples online of good form, and then go online to find examples of good function, and then answer a couple questions about it. And I'll see you guys in the next lesson.